Who?
Israel.
No kidding.
Yeah, so I read.
I didn't know it was a hallucinogen.
Me either.
You think I would have taken it maybe a dozen times?
Really?
Probably.
God.
You want some eggs?
How are you going to make them?
Scrambled?
Okay.
With some corn tortillas?
They're definitely good eggs, right?
Well, of course they're good, yeah.
Alright.
No, they're bad.
Well, I just want to make sure, because
I'm going to give you bad eggs.
sometimes you keep eggs in there that are old.
No, they're fine. Yeah, they're fine. I just bought a dozen. They're fine.
Okay.
Come on, Hooter, talk. Hey, woman walking up, he's like, hello! Oh, man.
Well, I would be surprised if his former owner taught him to do that with girls.
Well, you know the whole story with Edwin.
No.
Oh, yeah, you do?
Oh, no.
The parking
Oh,
lot.
yeah, of
Yeah.
course. That was
He came over here with a broomstick wanting to fight me. And I'm like, what's going on? What?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I'm like, are you talking to me, man? He's like, I hear you whistling. I'm like, what? You go, I hear you whistling at the girls, and I go, oh, I put it together. I'm like, the bird. What are you laughing at? You think it's funny, huh?
You think it's funny?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
You want some tofu sausage chopped up in your eggs?
Okay.
Alright. I'm just gonna make you breakfast.
Okay, thanks. I'll make you breakfast tomorrow.
Yeah, right.
Hello. I used to make pancakes all the time when I was in Connecticut,
Yeah.
and I gave them to Lucy. She loved it.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
She'd sit right there and wait, you know, till
Yeah, I
it
remember
was
eating
hot.
those pancakes in Connecticut. They were really good.
Yeah.
Grandma used to put blueberries in there. Blueberries, bananas. So good.
It says here it's the 2009 Love Festival. They were actually playing the song Let's Take Drugs.
Shocking.
Electronically splicing the voice of former President George W. Bush calling out, I want to take drugs, with President Obama's voice responding, yes, we can.
Oh, that's really clever, kid. Really clever, kid. You know, these kids, you gotta give it to them, they are clever.
Say again?
These kids, they are clever, you know, they're smart kids.
How's
They
that?
might be drug addicts and dope fiends. They're clever. You know, the way they put these little events together and they cut these things with Obama and Bush doing let's take drugs, yes we can. And, you know, that's good.
Yeah.
You got to give them credit. Hooter, what are you trying to accomplish by sitting on your cage and?
He's trying to get George to come release him from his apartment and take him away. So let's escape.
Alright, I guess we've filmed enough here, huh?
Yeah.